Rotator cuff injuries are a leading cause of shoulder pain and disability in adults. The rotator cuff, made up of supraspinatus, infraspinatus, teres minor and subscapularis, stabilizes the shoulder and allows smooth arm movement. Injuries can occur as acute tears from trauma such as falls or heavy lifting, or as degenerative tears that develop over time due to aging, repetitive overhead activity, reduced blood supply, or bone spurs. For full-thickness tears requiring surgery, Auxein's AuxSuture and Rotador anchors provide a fully threaded, knotless system designed for superior fixation and precise suture management in rotator cuff repair. AuxSuture AuxSuture anchor provides strong fixation with a small footprint, ideal for limited bone cases. Sizes 1.2 to 2.9 mm, optional self-punching tip, single to triple loaded with bio braid/suture tapes. AuxSuture Rotador Peak CF Peak Optima screw-in anchor is a fully threaded, knotless system offering precise tensioning and even compression. Sizes 4.75, 5.5, 6.25 mm, holds up to 6 sutures plus 2 tapes. The patient is positioned in a beach chair position. Portals are created to accommodate the implants. The rotator cuff footprint is cleared and prepared for anchor placement. A 2.9 mm awl is used to create space for a 2.9 mm AuxSuture anchor on the superior facet of the greater tubercle. The tip of the 2.9 mm AuxSuture anchor is positioned perpendicular to the greater tuberosity footprint. The anchor is advanced into the bone with controlled tapping using hammer. Once the anchor is fully inserted, the cap is removed to release the sutures. The handle is detached and removed from the bone. Sutures are tensioned to deploy the anchor within the cancellous bone. Deployment is confirmed with a firm tug. The sutures are retrieved from the lateral portal using a suture retriever. Sutures are passed through the torn tendon using an Scorpion suture passer. Two additional 2.9 mm AuxSuture anchors are placed in the same way. A 6 to 10 mm gap is maintained for pull-out strength. A 4.1 mm awl is used to create space for a 4.75 mm Rotador anchor. Two differently colored sutures from each medial row anchors are retrieved. A total of 6 retrieved sutures are loaded into the 4.75 mm Rotador anchor. The sutures are tensioned to restore the tendon to its anatomical position. The loaded 4.75 mm Rotador anchor is inserted into the bone. Excess sutures are trimmed using a suture cutter. The same procedure is followed with the remaining 6 sutures. The rotator cuff repair using AuxSuture and Rotador anchors is successfully completed. After surgery, proper rest is the first step in recovery. Keeping the shoulder still allows the tendon to heal, and a sling is usually advised to support and protect it. As healing progresses, physical therapy is introduced gradually, starting with gentle mobility before moving to strengthening exercises. Regular follow-ups with your surgeon are essential to track progress and ensure long-term shoulder function.